Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to turn off the fingerprint sensor, we need to go to the settings, then scroll down, and then choose security and privacy. Over here, go to biometrics, and finally choose fingerprints. Now we need to enter the PIN code, password, or draw the pattern. And of course, if you don't use the screen lock, you will be forced to use one of these three options. And then over here we have to press continue, and then we need to press register. Now over here we have our fingerprint sensor, and we need to put our finger inside the circle, and we need to place it or lift it after a while. So we need to keep scanning until we reach the 100%. So try to scan as much of your finger as possible from different angles as well, in order to make sure that every time you are able to unlock your device. Of course, you can add multiple fingerprints in order to make sure that you can actually use your finger to unlock the device. Once you are done, you can add another fingerprint immediately by pressing add over here, or you can press done. And there we go. Now over here we have fingerprint settings, where we can see our fingerprints added. We can add a new one. We can check added fingerprints. We can enable and disable the feature to unlock with fingerprint. We can set it always on so that we can use your fingerprint even if your screen is off, and so on and so forth. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.